Hi, I'm Dave Purdy, founder and CEO of Wealth Management Midwest. Welcome to December. And attached to this short video is our monthly market commentary. I want to jump right in and just talk a little bit about the economy. Still, inflation and interest rates are coming down. Unemployment is still very reasonable. Companies are still making money. And I got to tell you, travel. If you'll remember back on Memorial Day, I had to fly out to Hot Springs, Arkansas through Atlanta, and at that time they were saying it's the busiest travel couple days in the history of America. And now, just recently, with the Thanksgiving holiday just last week, they're saying that all the numbers aren't in yet, but they think that was the busiest travel time in all of American history. So, travel, as you know, is very, very expensive, and people wouldn't be traveling if things were bad. So, I think that the economy is actually it's actually holding up pretty well. So, I think that's exciting. I'm kind of expecting good things for next year. Another thing I just wanted to mention, and this is perspective from me, being here for so many years, but we had really a pretty big day yesterday. And yesterday, the stock market closed above 45,000. The Dow Jones closed above 45,000. And to put that in perspective, I started here in September of 1988, and the Dow at that time was around 2,100. So that went from 2,100 to 45,000. And it's almost like if somebody was walking upstairs with a yo-yo. It kind of goes like this, but it keeps going higher. But to put that in interesting perspective is if a person came, if I would have put $100,000 in the Dow, which is just 30 biggest stocks, that money would be worth over $2 million today. And it's interesting because I remember when I was studying for my securities test back in 1987. That's when the market fell 25%. Everybody said, no, the market's going to crash. The market's going to crash. And then, 2000, the tech crash. 2001, the trade towers went down. 2007 and 8, the kind of the Great Recession. And then, of course, COVID and so forth and so on. And, really, we just have to keep this news and really just, it's noise because the market just keeps going higher. So I think that's really pretty exciting in perspective. And I wish I could tell some of my friends, can you imagine telling me back in 1988 when I was in my 20s that the market's going to be 45,000? It would have been unheard of. So very positive on that. And lastly, I just want to kind of close out this video by saying, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays, however you celebrate it. There's not many benefits of getting older, but for me, one of the benefits of getting older is just the great relationships that I'm grateful for. Grateful for our great office staff, grateful for everybody who works with us, grateful for my family, grateful for America, grateful for everything. So I just want to say this holiday season, I'm grateful for you, and I look forward to just a great 2025.